Hey everybody, it's Car Guy Ken here, Sunnyside Chevrolet, giving you a look at this really sweet 2018 Chevy Tahoe LT with the RST package. This thing is loaded, it is sweet. It's the LT, you can upgrade to the Premier, you get a few extra things, but stick around if you want a little bit more info on this SUV. Check out that link in the top right hand corner. Stick around just for a quick review here if you want to see what's added on to that RST package. This also has the Sun Sound Destination package, so it's going to give you a sunroof up top. It's going to give you the Blu-ray package in there. It's going to give you navigation built in. It's going to give you an extra 9 months on your Sirius XM subscription. Typically you only get 3 months. It's going to pull you up to a year. On this RST, you're going to notice one of the big things is those rims. There's no RST logo anywhere on the outside, but you know it's got a gloss out grille with a body color bezels all the way around. It's all body color. Maybe a little bit harder to tell because this is so dark. You can check out some other videos, maybe on some white ones. It'll give you a little bit more clarity there. But these 22-inch rims, normally 18s. Standard for the LT, but nice 22s. You can get the Brembo brakes as well as an upgrade with the RST package. This has got the 5.3. Also want to point out your name badge and your mirror caps are all black. Black beltline moldings. Everything is black. This thing's got power locks, windows, mirrors, programmable seat, power adjusting seat for both the passenger and the front driver. Remote start is standard. Power adjusting pedals, park assist, color information display, 8-inch Mylink radio, your sunroof. So really nice SUV. 10 airbags to help keep you and your family safe. Bucket seats here for your captain's chairs. Third row seating. If you're needing more room to the back though, you gotta go with the Suburban. Power programmable seat, back hatch is on the LT as well. Power folding seats is available on the LT, or I'm sorry, on the Premier. That's your top level trim. But this one's right here at Sunnyside Chevrolet. If you're in Northeast Ohio, you want to take it for a drive, give me a call, 440-365-7311. Come check it out. You guys have a great day.